We just got this vanity mirror from Yida Home, so thank you so much to the company for gifting us this mirror. This vanity mirror is really cool because it has so many different features to it. First off, it is really easy to put together. You have a couple different mounting options. They give you this metal stand right here that you can mount the mirror on if you'd like it just to sit on top of a desk, or you can hang it and then you wouldn't use the stand with it. The mirror is LED. We chose the one with the bulbs. There's also a different style that has the LED lights inside of it. All you have to do to turn it on is press the button right down here and the lights turn on. The light bulbs also can change from warmer to brighter. All you have to do is press the button and switch it through the different cycles. The lights have 3 different colors to them. There's a warm, a bright, and a more cool color. Another really cool thing about this mirror is it has a Bluetooth speaker. You can hook it up to your Bluetooth device, your phone, and play music through the back of it. And the sound is really, really good. Another really cool thing about it is it has a wireless charger right down there. You can put these plastic holders on here, put your phone up against there, and it can charge automatically. On the other side, it also has USB and USB ports. I really love the size of this mirror. It gives you a really good amount of space so you can do things like your makeup. Not only does the mirror have 3 different brightnesses on it, it also has a dimmer switch so you can lower and raise the brightness of that color of the light. And you do that just by holding the middle button down. It will dim the lights automatically. So that's a great feature depending on the light that you have in your room to make it brighter or less bright depending on your needs. If you're looking for a versatile mirror, I would definitely recommend this one.